How to create your own eco-friendly and sustainable living product website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website using squarespace.com for free. So let's get started. Let's click the button of get started, and here we can see a various range of templates that we can choose from that are going to help us building our website. So you have here the templates that are pre-made templates. We can just use the template, adjust some text and change the logo, and there we have our website. Or we can just use the blank template, which allows us to create our own website from scratch. So here we just wait for the templates to load. So if it's taking a long time, you can just press this button and reload again, and it will be good in seconds. So here you will be seeing the filters. So we can filter by the type of the website, if it's an online store or a services store, and so on. And here we can filter by the niche of our store. So it can be home and decor, it can be sustainable living as the one that we want to create, it can be anything. So you can just filter them in here. So let's see if we can find an eco-friendly and sustainable living store. So I guess we don't have that niche in here, so let's just scroll and let's see what Squarespace offers us. So this is the blank template that I told you about. If you want to build your website from scratch, and I think I'm going to use this template. It's Crossbay template, so you can just click on start with Crossbay, but before that you can click on preview to search and see if this template fits you. So click on view demo site to view the website in full width. So this is our template. You can just scroll down and we can see the template. So as you can see, it's pretty smooth template, and with its rotating products, and it's even related to eco-friendly and nature and sustainable living. So I'm going to choose this one. So click on start with this design, and if you encounter this message, you just click on OK and you restart with this design. Then you will wait for them to set things up for us, and they will request us to give them a title for the website. So let's just type a title. You can always skip that step, but for me I'm going to type the title to differentiate between my websites, because you can always create multiple websites using Squarespace platform. So I'm going to give it the name of the niche, which is eco-sustainable and eco-friendly and sustainable living products. So it's just wait for it, and here we will see the place where we can add our website name or title. So here I'm going to give it this title. So just wait for it to load, and things will be set up very good. So here we are. After typing our website title, we click on continue, and then we go up and we close these tabs. We don't need them anymore. So you click on close, and on our left we can see a various sections. So I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it to you. So let's start with website. It's where you can add pages or change the pages that you already have. So you can delete the pages that you have or change or adjust the pages that exist already or create new ones. Let's go back and let's proceed to the second section, which is commerce. So here you can manage your orders, your inventory, or you can create your products. You can also manage your discounts, choose the ways that you want to get paid with, if you want to get paid with subscription plans, and if you want to publish your products and start selling. And let's go back and proceed to the next section, which is marketing. So as it shows in the name, it's all the things that are related to growing your audience. So you have the email campaigns, the pixels and ads, which is the promotion section. Here we have the engagement, discovery, SEO appearance. So it's all the things that are related to growing your audience. Here we have the scheduling, which is basically for the psychiatrists or the lawyers or the people that offer services or consulting to book appointments or meetings. And here we have the asset library, where you can save or restore your files like images and photos to use them while you're designing your template. Then we have the analytics, where you can see your dashboard, you can see your orders, your inventory, your units sold, orders, conversion rate, revenue, and stuff like that. Then we proceed to the next one, which is profiles. So here you can manage the profiles of your clients. You can see the profiles that your clients created in your website. And last but not least, we have settings, and here you can change your domain name or add one if you didn't add it for now. Then you have your Google Workspace. You can also change the site's availability from private to public. You can change the site's languages, regional settings, and so on. And also you can set up your store payments by clicking on store payments. You can set up your Stripe account, your PayPal account, and your Square account if you are from the United States. Also you can change your store's currency. So with that being said, with these sections, it's all explained. We have also the help, which is pretty obvious. Then we have the edit section, where you can edit your design and adjust it the way you want. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.